guys, today I am going to show you on how to enable dark mode in Instagram. As we know that the default mode on Instagram is the light mode as we always see. The background is all white and it may not be on your preference. For now, we don't have a dark mode button in the Instagram app, so we will have it in another way. It may be different in Android and iPhone users, but all you need is to turn on the dark mode on your phone, and it is available in both iPhone and Android users. As for me, I am using an Android. For Android users, you can just simply swipe from the top of your phone, and you can directly see the given options here. If you cannot find it there, you can just directly go to your settings and find how to activate the dark mode. As for me, I have it here, the dark theme. Just click it and it will directly change. Now, you can go back to your Instagram. As you can see here, the theme has already changed into dark mode. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.